Hey, what's up everyone? On my way into work today at the Transportation Museum. Got a really cool car coming in today for a little promotional video that we're doing for an upcoming car show. It's gonna be some cool stuff there. This one was actually at the last one. Scott Backer owns this car. It's a 1949 Ford. I'm excited to take a look. Here we go. Some quick specs on this car. It was originally assembled in the St. Paul, Minnesota Ford plant and spent its entire life in the upper Midwest. Disc brakes installed in the front, 16-inch vintage steel wheels with 48 Ford hubcaps, powered with a 351 Windsor and C6 transmission. Lowered 2 inches in the front using Aerostar coil springs in place of stock springs. Scott has done all the mechanical work himself in one car garage.